We've been looking for a dining room table for our home, and there it was. One that is tall enough for Oppo to roll under,
It's the aesthetic of our home,
small enough for our apartment,
affordable.
and a quick and simple DIY project. So you know we had to go check it out. It was perfect, but needed a little cleaning first. We all know that doing it yourself can be a cheaper approach to any DIY project. But many don't factor in the time and energy that is required for certain projects. Having recently experienced burnout from other projects I've done around our home, I wanted to keep things quick and simple. So some cleaning and sanding, and then I'll finish it off with a sealant. We really like the character of the aged wood, so we opted for a sealant with a bit of color to brighten up the table a little.
And there she goes getting distracted.
Hey!
That's it.
Again, keeping it simple, with just a wax-based sealant with very little odor that is easy to apply. Just apply and spread with a cloth and let it sit for about an hour. We let ours sit overnight. Of course I had to break it in with a delicious cup of tea.
Now we have a beautiful dining table where we can sit and enjoy our meals together.
Yep, and it's got a nice view too.
Next, we gotta find some dining chairs.